Okay, we're going on the record on cause number DC 195912 9202 Sain LLC versus Abdel Hussein. Counsel, make your appearances.
Farah Ahmed of Thompson Co. For plaintiff 9202 Sain LLC.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Razan Hamida. I'm here on behalf of defendant Abdul Hussein.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Hernan, counsel for Ready Real Estate LLC.
Anyone else? So as I understand, this case is set for trial in October on the jury trial docket. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. On the 20th, I believe.
On October 20th. Okay. And you're here on a motion for continuance. Kind of tell me what's going on.
Well, Your Honor, this is before the court granted. We filed our motion before the court reset the trial setting to October 20th. We filed this back in May 11th, and we included in our motion a motion to reopen discovery, or it's to extend discovery, because this is a level 2 discovery order. Discovery ended in April, so around when everything started shutting down because of COVID. And we had to reschedule defendant's deposition that was originally scheduled for March 18th to, we ended up taking their deposition on May 27th and May 28th. And so we're just simply asking to extend the discovery deadline no later than 60 days before trial. And that way to make sure that, there's no objections from defense side that we can use his deposition transcript. They asserted something like that last week for their MSJ, even though Mr. Hussein voluntarily appeared for his deposition and even requested a Arabic interpreter, which we did provide. So we're just simply asking the court to extend the discovery deadline, enter a new amended scheduling order for this matter, Your Honor.
Response?
We do not oppose the motion, Your Honor. What we simply asserted last week or 2 weeks ago during the motion for summary judgment was that any part of the deposition before an order was signed extending the discovery deadline, we would object to. But with an order being granted extending the discovery deadline with the new trial date, we don't oppose it.
Mr. Hernan?
Your Honor, we don't oppose. We're also agreed, and we agree to extend the discovery. The only request I have is that if we're allowed to do so, we also open up the pleadings again. Ready Real Estate would like to file a counterclaim against Abdel Hussein, and so that's what we ask for. And if not, we would file a motion for leave.
Any objection to reopen the pleading deadline?
I'm unopposed to that, Your Honor.
We are also unopposed to that.
Okay, why don't you guys get me an order on all this? Ms. Ahmed, why don't you submit that? If you could do it by the end of, or I'm not sure, Rhonda, what time are you leaving today? She'll text me an answer.
Your Honor, would you like a scheduling order?
Yeah, why don't you send me a scheduling order that covers everything you need to have covered. That's usually the easiest way. And we'll go ahead and if you could try to get it to her with the next couple hours so that she can print it out. I'm going to be in the office on Sunday to sign all these orders. So if you could get those in a couple hours, that'd be great.
Yes, sir.
I can only do that, Your Honor.
She's going to be here till 3:30, so get it to her before 3.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And there was a Mr. Bristow that just signed in. Was he on this case as well or not?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor. I was on for the Garza case.
Oh, okay. Well, all right, we'll talk about that. Okay, sounds good. And we'll go ahead and let you guys go. And you be safe out there, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Mr. Bristow, I think we already had that hearing. Who are you representing for this?
I was on the plaintiff side. I got the notice for 9:30. I saw the docket that you had shared on there that showed it at 9. I didn't have any opposition to the motion to compel, so not a big concern, but just wanted to jump on here just to make sure that I wasn't missing anything.
Yeah, I granted the motion and no one showed up for the employer. And so it was quick and easy.
Sounds good.
All right, Mr. Bristow, you be safe out there, okay?
Thanks, you too, Judge.
All right, bye-bye. Let me make sure I turn off YouTube.